This is a super recipe for banana chocolate chip muffins. And that's what the bananas look like when they're nicely mashed up. So after that, we're going to add in the sugar. So that's 125 grams of sugar. And I also got an egg. So we're also going to add in an egg to the mixture too. A whole egg. Break that up. I break it in a separate bowl so I don't catch any shell in the mixture, which would be very gritty. And again, use your fork just to mix all of that together. So the sugar's dissolving in the kind of liquidy banana and egg mixture. And there's still a few lumps of banana in there, which is perfect. Now I'm going to next add in our sunflower oil. And what that really does is it means that they last a little bit longer than they would if you made them and just were going to eat them for one day. If you wanted to keep them for 2 days, the oil will kind of just give them a bit more moisture and make them last. That's the oil added in. And the next thing is I've added a pinch of salt to my self-raising flour. I'm just going to fold the self-raising flour in, but I'm going to fold it in with a spatula. So maybe in 2 or 3 batches, so that you don't add all your flour in at once and get big kind of dry flour pockets. So just a cutting and folding motion, and all your flour will go in nicely to make the muffin batter. And you just have to check that the base of the mixture doesn't have any flour pockets left, and then you're ready to go. What we're going to do before we pop it in the muffin cases is fold in our chocolate chips. In they go. Just gently fold them. You want to kind of have them evenly distributed, but at this stage that's perfect. And then I've got 2 spoons, so we're going to put the batter in the muffin cases. The mixture now into the muffin cases. This is so simple. I'm sure you can make these on your own with no help. So you want to fill your muffin cases to about 2/3 full. And I've got some mixture left over. So they'll make at least 6 muffins, and they're quite large muffin cases already. But if I was making the very big muffin cases, I would need some more. So I'm just going to get a little cloth now to wipe around the top, and then they're ready to go in the oven. So they'll just need to be baked for about 30 minutes on 180 degrees in the oven, and then they'll be ready to eat. And now they're ready.